This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Venza. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.